we will discuss about an important topic, that is surface tension of liquids. So, how bubbles are formed, how insects float and slide on a water surface, how disinfectants are formed. So, for this all these questions, the answer is related to the surface tension of liquids. It is a very important topic. So, surface tension is the phenomenon due to which exposed surface of a liquid contained in a vessel behaves like a stressed membrane is called surface tension. So, to understand surface tension more clearly, we can consider the example. Suppose the vessel is filled with water. This is the top or exposed surface of the water. So, we know that there are many water molecules present in the vessel. Now, if we consider a molecule A here, it shall be pulled by the neighboring molecules equally in all sides. Why? Because in all sides of it, molecules are present, is not it? Here also one molecule is present, here also molecules are present, here also molecules are present. So, in all sides, molecules are present. And we also know that according to the kinetic theory of matter, that all the molecules attract each other, and here all the molecules are of same type, so there will be a cohesive force between them. But this attractive force is not unbalanced, it is balanced. Why? The pull experienced by the molecule due to this molecule will be cancelled out by the pull experienced by this molecule due to this molecule. So this pull and this pull both are in opposite direction, so they both will cancel out each other. Here also in these two molecules the same case will arise. For these two molecules the same case will arise. Clear? So there is a balanced attractive force here for molecule A. So the molecule A will not experience any pull in any side. But if we consider the molecule in the surface of the liquid, then what will happen? Then we can say that in one side of the surface, that means in this side, there is no molecule which can attract the molecule in the surface, but there are many molecules in the other side, that means in the liquid side. So these molecules will attract the molecules of the surface, is not it? So the molecule in the surface will experience a net inward pull. So due to this pull, so there is a tendency on the part of surface molecules to go in the bulk of the liquid, because it is experiencing a net inward pull. So the surface of liquid is therefore in some sort of tension, and it tends to contract to the smallest possible area in order to have the minimum number of molecules at the surface, and this is actually the surface tension. Clear? So same thing is described in your book by an example of mercury, and same thing. Imagine an isolated small cube of mercury in a space. A molecule of mercury at A shall be pulled by the neighboring molecules equally. Thus no unbalanced attractive force will act on it and move it in some particular direction. For this molecule A, that means in middle portion, there are many molecules, that means the molecule A is surrounded by many molecules, and it will experience a balanced attractive force. Clear? But in the molecules near the edge, what will happen for them? They will experience a net inward pull, because there is no molecules in other sides. Clear? So they will experience a inward pull. But these molecules will not move inward as their movement shall be opposed by the inner molecules. Why? Because if the molecules at the surface will come inward, then there will be a collision between the molecules at the surface and the inner molecules, so they will not come. So due to this, there will be a tension in the molecules near the surface, and the surface molecules then tends to occupy smallest possible surface area, and they will realign themselves. In doing so, the liquids takes a spherical shape. Why? Because we know that the surface area is minimum for a given volume in the case of a sphere. So, for the same reason, a small drop of mercury takes the shape of spherical ball. Clear? So, this is all about the surface tension. So, you will study elaborately the surface tension in your next classes.